Today we're making homemade fresh pasta. Ooh, so good. Let's get started. Normally a serving of pasta is 100 grams of flour. We're going to start with just 90 because you may not need it all. We're going to make a little well and then pour in 1 egg, room temperature. Now you don't have to add olive oil. Traditionally you don't, but this makes your pasta silky smooth. So 1 teaspoon of olive oil with your egg. You're gonna have the best pasta in the world, and you're gonna cut that in, and then once you're done, you're gonna knead that for a few minutes until it's nice and soft. You want this to be the consistency of Play-Doh or feel like your earlobe. Cover that, let it rest for about 45 minutes, and now you can either roll this out. You want to make sure it's paper thin, so if you're rolling, make sure it's really thin that you can see through it, or you can use a pasta maker. This gives you consistently good pasta every single time. So it's a little practice, but definitely worth it. I paid like $20, $25 for this, and I absolutely love it. And how easy is this to make? Just lasagna. You're just rolling out your sheets and then cutting them in sheets. Once it's nice and thin that you can see your hand almost through it, we're going to go ahead and roll that out and flour it down so it doesn't stick, cutting off the uneven sides and then rolling that so we can cut it. I like to roll it from each end about halfway up. Now when you're cutting this, you don't have to get it all the same exact size. Practice will make perfect, but as long as your pasta itself is the same consistency, you're totally fine. And just look at how beautiful and silky smooth that is. Now we are ready to either store this for a couple of days until we're ready to cook, or we can cook it right away. This would be good in your fridge for about 2 to 3 days. If you're going to store it, make sure to flour it really well so that way as the moisture builds, it's not going to stick together. And when you're cooking, make sure to salt the water really well. This is going to season your pasta. When you're cooking fresh pasta, it only takes about 30 seconds to a minute if you've done it right. I'm mixing mine with fresh pesto and a little bit of Parmesan. Oh, so good.
This is so good, make you want to slap your mama and your mama's mama and your mama's mama's mama. It's so good. Make you some fresh pasta. Go make it. It's so easy. Homemade pasta is the best pasta you'll ever have. Believe it. Believe it. Make it. Let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next one. Happy cooking. Bye for now.